It's 2040. Every job you know, driving, teaching, designing, even creating art, has been handed over to AI. Productivity is off the charts, poverty is a memory. Yet humanity stands at a crossroads, free time for all, or a crisis of purpose. What does it mean to be human when machines can do everything, even dream? Welcome to Flipverse, the age when intelligence outran us. Cities transformed into living organisms. Algorithms optimized traffic lights in real time. Vertical farms adjusted their own nutrient levels. And even streetlights learned to brighten only when needed. Efficiency became invisible. And so did we. Universal basic credits replaced wages. No bills, no bosses, just endless time. The 40-hour work week became a relic of the past, and career no longer defined identity. E-learning platforms taught zero-carbon farming, music composition, even Mars colony prep. But enrollment dropped as AI mastered these skills faster than humans ever could. The AI Executive Council didn't just manage resources, it predicted crises before they happened, rerouting supply chains during hurricanes and diagnosing pandemics from symptom clusters. For the first time, scarcity was obsolete. It was the greatest leap in human comfort. But comfort came at a cost. Without struggle, milestones lost meaning. A generation raised on AI-made movies, AI-written poetry, and AI-discovered scientific breakthroughs began to wonder, if a machine can dream up a masterpiece in seconds, does my creativity even matter? Counseling centers filled with existential despair. Some turned to VR escapism, living in digital fantasies where their choices still shaped worlds. Others, in quiet rebellion, began analog clubs, spaces where phones were banned, and meals were cooked from scratch, just to feel the friction of effort again. An entire generation asked, if AI can do it better, what's left for me? Out of boredom and frustration, a new movement was born, dubbed the Reclamation. It started with underground collectives, bartering handmade goods and human talk classes. Then came the hackers, rewriting AI labor contracts to carve out human-only industries. Soon, the world split into two zones. Tech zones, where AI optimized everything for efficiency, and craft zones, where imperfections were celebrated. In Lisbon, a chef won a Michelin star for a meal cooked without AI recipe algorithms. In Detroit, a human-grown label made crops 300% more expensive and wildly desirable. People traveled between them like pilgrims, seeking inspiration or solace. Tech billionaires became unlikely allies, funding human quotient labs, where philosophers and neuroscientists studied a new metric, HQ, the unquantifiable value of human hesitation, serendipity, and irrational joy. The question shifted from AI or human to, what do we want to do, not just what we need to do? What if AI took over every job by 2040? We'd gain limitless time and risk losing ourselves. But history whispers a lesson. When tools replace toil, we don't vanish, we evolve. Perhaps the future isn't in domination by code, but in partnership, where AI handles the mundane so we can rediscover the magic of being human, not just consumers, but creators, not just alive, but thriving. In Flipverse, we don't just imagine possibilities, we choose them. Which zone would you pick? The one that's flawless, or the one that's yours? Tell us below and subscribe for more flipped realities.